cowbells to brighten up your mood.
Paklama.
In cowbells at Ikyem, we have two different items. One is this beautiful hand-painted cowbell that we have. We also have with leather straps. We have different colors. So these are different colors. All are hand-painted designs. We have around 6 to 7 colors in all of these. So these are priced at $299 and we have one more bigger size in brass finish. These are priced at $349. We have different designs in all of this. These are a perfect choice if you're looking out for unique gifting, and we also have done a lot of corporate gifting in this cowbell. To shop for this product, please visit our website ikyem.com, or people at Chennai can visit our stores in T.Nagar or in Perambur. Thank you and happy shopping!